Howdy, folks. Today we're looking at Free Planet #1 from 2025 in Image Comics. I first crossed paths with Aubrey Sitterson back in 2021 with The Beef Bros, produced with artist Tyrell Cannon. A fun project that sticks in memory by dint of being quite colorful and for having its heart in the right place. Sitterson is back again with a new book drawn by a familiar collaborator, Jed Dougherty. You might have already seen the team on 2021 Savage Hearts from Dark Horse. Free Planet is a new launch, fresh from Image, but our specimen today is actually the preview Ashcan, despite being larger and nicer than an actual Ashcan. Anyway, Free Planet is the first volley in a new sci-fi epic, space opera with a decidedly proletarian spin. The titular planet that serves as the subject for the comic is Lutheria, hailed as the first completely free planet in human history, founded following a bloody revolution against the corporatist governments dominant across the future galactic diaspora. Lutheria's form of government appears to be a kind of planet-spanning anarchist co-op. In the opening pages, we're introduced to the superhero team that will presumably be our focus going forward, the Freedom Guard, a group pulled together as a coalition of representatives for the various factions entailed in the war. There's a lot going on, frankly, an incredible amount for any first issue, and that's where my criticism lies. Generally, Sitterson is working in genres I like and dealing with ideas I want to see explored on the page. He and Dougherty seem to have a good working relationship, and there's a lot of enthusiasm on these pages. The problem is, there's a lot of everything on these pages. This is a lot. This would be a lot if the first issue were 3 times as big, but this is a regular-sized comic that feels like a 7-course meal. There's too much lore, too many characters, too many expository captions. It aspires to be a leftist Dune with superheroes and farmers all at once and immediately. Now, true, and in fairness, most comics today err on the contrary, sparse and forgettable. It is possible to err on the opposite side of that equation.